In this lecture, we will look at a few examples. The first one is draw the graph of function y equals 5 plus sine x. So we let x choose different 5 values. You may put more values here, but that's fine. Here we just want to let everyone know that those 5 values are the minimum number of values. You can put more values here for x. We have a 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. When x equals those 5 different values, we know sine x is 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. We have done this before. We know right here, this is the graph of sine x. Okay? Yeah, let me move up a little bit. Alright. So, when x equals 5 different values, we then have sine x. So it's like here. Basically, I wanted to emphasize is that those 2 rows are the same. Okay. Then the things different are for each value sine x, then you have to add 5 on that. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 0 plus 5 is 5. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4. 0 plus 5 is 5. So basically right here is that every value is added by 5. So every value x you input here, you get sine x, then you have to add 5. So basically that means for y equals sine x, if you add 5 on that, this every point will be at 5, so you shift the picture from here to there, 5 units up. So basically this 5 tells you that every value will be added 5. So it's a vertical shifting. That's what I want to say by using this example. Okay, so x is 0, that's 5. So here is 0, 5. Pi over 2, here is pi over 2, then is 6. That's the highest point. And x is pi, then you have a 0 again. X is pi, you have 5 again. Okay, 5 again. And then you have a 3 pi over 2 right here, then you have a smallest value 4. Okay. And then when x is 2 pi, you then have a 5. It goes back from 5 to 6, goes down to 5, then 4, then 5. So this example tells us that vertical shifting for this constant 5. Okay. You may also want the calculator to help you if you want. Okay. Equal sign, that was sine. Okay. And then you may add 5 on that. Okay, if you grab it, you see here because of the window size is 1, 2, and then 2.5, the graph does not show up. I want to do is window, or maybe zoom. Zoom, you want to hit 6. Okay. You see, when you hit zoom, 6 means standard. Okay, so and then when you graph it, it means the vertical is from -10 to +10, horizontal -10 to +10. If you hit the window size, you will see that. Okay, so basically for this picture you want to be sure that where is the range from 4 to 6. The lowest point vertically is 4, highest point is 6. You know, although the calculator can help you, you do need to understand where those points are. Okay, it's basically by shifting. Alright, and you know where it reaches 4 as 3 pi over 2. Okay, so here is 4, down here exit 3 pi over 2. Alright, now let's look at another example. Another example is that we are given I want to shade a little bit. So right here we are given a picture. We are given a picture here. Let me shade a little bit at the beginning. So you see, we want to determine the equation in the graph. This graph is from -pi over 2 to negative 2 pi to positive 2 pi. Okay, so you can roughly see it goes down and up, it goes down and up again. So here basically from -2 pi to 0, that's one period, and from 0 to 2 pi is another period. So you know there are two periods of the graph right here. Then one period is from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, yeah, the problem right down here is that we want to understand if this is sine or cosine thing. Before we do that, we know the highest one is 1, the lowest one is -5. So what is the amplitude? Do not say the amplitude is 6. It's not. You look at here, it's 4 to 6, 2 units. But amplitude is what? Is 1, Okay. So then down here you want to say the amplitude is 3. Okay. From +1 up down to -5, the range is 6, the amplitude is 3. It's like here again, from 6 to 4, coefficient of sine is 1, so the amplitude is 1, and here the amplitude is 3. Alright, now, so we know something here has to be 3, like the one here. That's the important thing. Another thing, you know that the center vertically, it should be like what? -2. You see here the horizontal line 5 units up. This graph is 5 units up. Then you know if we didn't shift original graph, this graph probably previously here, you know, the horizontal is -2, then we know the graph is shifted what? 2 units down. Okay, and here is 5 units up, and then here is basically 2 units down, because you know I call this is the center line horizontally. See, so that's 2 units down. So we know then the graph should be like what? Yeah, it should be like -2 plus 3 something. Is this cosine or sine? That's the thing. Okay, yeah. So we know that if this graph starts from 0, 1, 0, 1. If negative, again the center line is here. If the line was here, then this point will be 2 units up right here. So basically the graph, the original graph starts on y-axis. It was 0, 3, not 0, 1. Okay. Okay, then that's clear because sine starts from 0. Okay, 0, 0 was sine. You see. We click this one. Sine was from origin. You see that is sine. Okay, and then cosine starts from 0, 1. Okay, you hit the cosine. Okay, if you draw the graph, you see that's from 0, 1. And it fits our situation right here. Okay, if you zoom in a little bit, that's 2. That's more clear. You see, 0, 1. That's cosine, and you have 3 units up. So here we have 3. Okay, so basically the graph should look like this. The equation is y equals -2, because there's 2 units down, plus 3 is the amplitude, and then cosine x. Okay, don't worry about the period. The period is from 0 to 2 pi. If the period is not from 0 to 2 pi, then you have some coefficients right here. Alright. For this example, we are done. That's probably the easy one. Alright. I'll see you next time.